it's me, Civica. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do the last part of the runaway cube. That's so exciting. I can't wait. And I'm going to tell you a very exciting announcement at the end of the video. So stay tuned for that. But before we get started, turn on the notifications bell and give me a big thumbs up. Did you do it? Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we done the first part, but how are we going to do the study screen? That's what we're going to do today. And let's find out. So first, let's get an on event block. This is going to be an on event study button click. And we're going to set the screen to the study screen. So let's set the screen to the study screen. And then we need to declare a variable. Let's go up and declare a variable. So use this block. Okay? Good. So y is r is equals r, there we go, is equal to 0. Always use lower capital, not uppercase, lower, okay? Good. Now, we're going to have another on event. We're going to put this as button start. And after that, we're going to need 2 time loops. There's a lot of loops in this. One is for 1,000 and one is for 60,000. 1,000 milliseconds equals 1 second. 60,000 milliseconds equals 1 minute. That's why we're going to put these numbers in it. So for 1 second block, what this one, the first one, we're going to put a variable and we're going to put here r is equal to, get a math block and use the add operator to add 2 numbers. Well, in this case, we're going to add a variable, basically. So r plus 1. Then we're going to need to set a property. So let's get the set property. And the ID is supposed to be label time. We're going to set this one to text color. And then we're going to get an RGB block. And we're going to need 3 random numbers. So let's get 3 random numbers. We're going to put the random numbers in the first 3 boxes. And then the last box, change 0.5 to 1. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm just going to slide over. There we go. Okay. Now, let's set the number. We're going to set the number to label time. And the thing is R. Okay. Okay. Now let's work on the second one, the 60,000 one. Okay, it's basically the same thing, except we're gonna get 2 variables this time. It's gonna be the exact same thing, except we're gonna add an extra variable. We're gonna put the r is equal to 0 variable to like I'll show you why we need this variable. Is equal to 0. This will make it when it gets to 60 seconds, it'll turn it back to 0 and it'll count again. So, for example, 58, 59, 60, and then it goes back to 1, 2, 3, you know? Yeah, and then we just do the same thing, basically. So let's get a set. Wait, first we need a variable. Make it r is equal to r plus 1. Then we're going to need to have a set property and a set number. In the set property, we're going to make this label time. The width is actually going to be a text color, and then we're going to grab an RGB block, which stands for red, green, and blue, and get 3 random numbers as usual. Four. So that means we have 6 random numbers now. One sec. And again, change it to 1. Perfect. Oh man, I almost forgot. Oops. We've got to change these numbers. We can't just have it as 1 to 10. We have to make it as 0 to 255. That'll choose a random number between 0 and 255 for a color. So let's change it. 0, 255. 0, 255. 0, 255. 0, 255. 0, 255. 0. Okay, 255. Okay, we're done that part. Now let's move on. Oh wait, I forgot. Set this one to label time. Don't forget that, or else it'll turn out wrong. One block mistaken, everything turns wrong. So let's try not make any mistakes. Okay, now we need to have 2 more on events. Here and here. One of them it's gonna be a button stop. So where's button stop? Right here. And the other one is going to be button restart. I know what you're thinking. It's supposed to be reset. I know. Sorry. I accidentally made a restart instead of reset. Okay. So in button stop, we're going to need a stop time loop. That's it. That's literally it. And then when you press button reset, we're going to put R is equal to 0. And then go to UI controls, set number. So here, label time and R. Perfect! This is perfect! Okay, I can't wait to try it out. Let's try it out. Shall we? Excited. Hey! It works! It works! Let's try this. And reset. Yes! It worked, you guys! It worked! that's it for today's video. Oh, by the way, the exciting announcement is, drumroll please, I'm gonna have my own app in like a few weeks. So in a few weeks, I'll tell you when it's ready and be sure to check that out. Okay? Well, that's it for today's video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications bell, give me a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye!